Number 15, 4, 10, 18, 4, 4, 5, 6, and 5. What is the median of the data set shown? A median of a data set is the number that is physically in the middle when the data are put in order from least to greatest. So let's say I had 1, 3, 3, 6, 9, 8. Add one more here, 10. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers in this data set. We want the one that is physically in the middle. That would be right here in the middle. There's 3 on its left, 3 on its right. It is the number that's right in the middle. 6 would be the median. This only works like that exactly if it is an odd number of numbers in the data set. If it had been even like this, you're like, wait a minute, that'd be right here in the middle. There is no number right there in the middle. What is it? You take the number to the left and right, the 2 numbers in the middle, and you average them together. So 3 plus 6 is 9, divided by 2 is 4.5 or 4.5. And that is our median. Now in this, they've tried to be a little bit tricky because the numbers are not in order. They have to be in order from smallest to greatest for this to work. So they're counting on someone going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers in this data set. So it's the 2 numbers in the middle because it's even. And there's the 2 numbers in the middle. There's 3 on each side, and there's the 2 in the middle. 4 plus 4, I average those together. 4 plus 4 is 8, divide by 2. 4 is my median. Yay! Oh no, you got it wrong. I am so sorry. We have to put them in order from smallest to greatest. Now I'm going to mark them out as I write them to make sure that I don't have any duplicates. So 4, there's another 4 there, and another 4 there. Next up, we got a 5. There's another 5 there. Next in order would be 6, then 10, and then 18. But there's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we want the 2 numbers that are in the middle. There's 3 on either side. There's the 2 in the middle. 5 plus 5 is 10, divided by 2 is 5. So the average there is 5, and that would be our median. If you had a very, very long list of numbers in the data set, it makes it a little harder to say what number is right in the middle. The trick to this is to divide the number of numbers in the data set, the number of numbers in the data set, by 2. So in this case, there's 8 numbers. You divide by 2, and that gets you 4. So you go to the 4th number and then 1 more. The 4th and the 5th number in the data set are the 2 you want to average together. If this had been an odd number, so that there were 7, you say 7 divided by 2 gives you 3.5. You go up to the next one, and that's 4. It's the 4th number in the data set. So again, if it's odd, you're going to get this 0.5 or something. Boop. You're going to go up to the next whole number, the next integer, and that's going to be the median when you count out. It's going to be the 4th number in this case. Again, if it was even, 8 divided by 2, you get 4. You go up 1 number to that's the 5th number. You add 1, and that gets you the 5th number, and those are the 2 numbers that you average together to get the median. But again, in this case, it is B5. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free 10 video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.